Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to program a Weiser Powerbolt to Deadbolt step by step. So as you can see, I have this Weiser Powerbolt to Deadbolt available. So in order to basically program it, first of all, you need to complete the door handling setup. So with the door open and unlocked, you need to enter 0000 and then you need to simply press this particular lock button. Afterwards, you need to simply press 0 again and then you need to press the lock button again. So the deadbolt should extend and retract with this particular combination automatically in order to learn the door's direction. Now you need to basically change the master code, and for that you need to simply add the default master code, which usually is 0000. So in order to change it, you need to enter the current master code. Afterwards, you need to press this lock button. Then you need to simply press 7. Then press this lock button again. Then enter the new master code and then you need to press this lock button again in order to save it. Now the new master code must be at least 4-digit minimum, and maximum it can be of 10 digits. So that's how you can basically program it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.